excited to have you back with us today. We're making a super awesome doggy cake. Aww, with the cute little bone in its mouth. Let's get started. It's gonna be so fun. Do you have a dog at home? What kind of dog is it? And what's its name? You should leave us a comment and let us know. And while you're at it, like the video. Give us a huge thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. You never want to miss a super awesome cake. Oh, this is going to be so fun. What is your favorite thing that doggies do? Do you like playing fetch with your doggies? Or maybe it's telling them how to sit and roll over. That would be so fun. Aw, these are going to be such cute little doggy eyeballs. All right, let's get started on his little chew toy. Do you have a doggy and do they go through a ton of chew toys? Or is your doggy a hide it and save it for later? Both of them are super funny. Remember, if you're cutting with a super sharp knife, to be super careful. You ready for a trivia question? What dog's name is also the name of a popular game? If you think you know, leave us a comment. You can find out at the very end. If you don't know, stay to the end to find out. All right. On to other stuff. Be careful with that sharp knife. What's your favorite kind of doggy? Are they big doggies with big barks? Woof, woof. Or are they tiny doggies that bark like this? Bark, bark, bark. Do you have a favorite one or a favorite kind? What do you think this is gonna be? I think it looks like puppy dog ears. What do you think? Aww, it's gonna be so cute. Make sure while you're watching to hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up and leave us a comment. Make sure you never miss an awesome cake. We've got so many cool cakes coming up, you don't want to miss the next one. Is it your birthday sometime soon? What kind of cake? If you could make any cake, what kind of cake would you want for your birthday? Do you have a special request of a cake you'd like to see made? Let us know in the comments. We love making cakes. And we even love eating the cakes too. That's the best part, huh? Is eating them at the end. What's your favorite flavor of cake? If you were to make this puppy dog cake, what flavor would you make it? I think if I were making a puppy dog cake right this second, I would make a chocolate cake. But we're gonna go with vanilla today. Oh, let's roll out our cake blanket. You know what this is. Put it on top and smooth it in. I can't wait to see it all finished. It's gonna be so amazing. And our cake irons. You can't forget the cake irons. Smooth it in and cut it out. Are you ready for the answer to our trivia question? What dog name is also the name of a popular game? Bingo! B-I-N-G-O. And Bingo was his name. Yeah! And bingo is also a game. Isn't that funny? Aw, look at our little doggy coming together. So cute. And a little bone in his mouth. Aw, cute puppy. Now we can't forget his ears, because he has to hear you when you say sit. And lie down. And roll over. Get his little other ear on. Remember to hit that subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, and leave us a comment. Aww, our puppy is all finished. He's so cute. Aww.